Hey developers, in our previous episode we saw how to create a string and escape character in Python. Now in this episode let's see how to concatenate a string, which is a basic string function in Python. In our previous episode we have learned that if we want to print anything then we use a print function, and inside the parentheses we use single quote or double quote. Now if we want to print hello, we type hello inside the double quote, and Python consider it as a string. Now, however, you have to keep in mind that if we try to print numbers inside the double quote or single quote, Python will consider it as a string. Now let's try typing numbers inside the quotation. Now here you can see that we have typed 5 inside the double quote. Here Python will consider this 5 as a string. Now let's check the type of this value. So here you can see that the type of this 5 is string. This is because we have typed 5 inside the double quote. So now if we try to print 5 without single quote or double quote, then Python will consider it as an integer. Now let's see what is concatenation of string. Concatenation is nothing but joining two things. Here if we want to join like hello and plus we want to join world. Here we have concatenated two strings, that is hello and world. But however, when we concatenate, we don't get any space over here. To get the space, we will type space over here, or you can type space over here. So now let's try to print. So here you can see that we have concatenated two strings. There is another way to concatenate. You use double and space sign. This is the another way you can concatenate a string. Here we have a string, then we have the plus sign. Here what happens is, arithmetic operation we use plus sign to add two numbers, but when we are concatenating two strings we use plus sign, and Python will consider as a concatenate operator. Here we have the first string and we are adding a space with these both strings, and this is the another string, and now this time we will remove this space from here, and let's try to print this. So here you can see that we have printed hello world with the help of concatenate operator. Now if we perform arithmetic operations like 10 plus 10, here we get output as a 20. But if we try to print any number inside the single quote or double quote, Python consider it as a string, and let's see that print double quote, then let's type 10 inside double quote, concatenate. So here you can see that Python does not consider it as an integer. This is because we have used double quote over here and over here, and we have used concatenate operator. This time Python will not consider this plus sign as an arithmetic operator. This is because we have string over here and over here. Now when we concatenate a string with a number like print hello, so when we try to concatenate a string with a number, Python gives us error. This is because we cannot concatenate a string with a number. But there is one interesting thing. When we try to multiply the string with a number, Python will multiply the string. Now let's see if we use multiplication sign in the place of this plus sign, what happens. So here we have printed hello 5 times. This is because we have used asterisk sign, which is multiplication sign in Python. So now here you can see that every string is concatenated with each other. Now let's try to print with a space over here. So here you can see that we have concatenated and also added a space over here. Here you should also keep in mind that we can multiply strings with number, but we cannot multiply string with string. Now if we try to multiply string with string, let's see what happens. Now here let's try to multiply string with another string. So here when we try to multiply string with another string, Python returns error. This is because we cannot multiply any string with string. So this was all for the day. In our next episode we are going to see what is input function in Python.